How's it going, everyone? I want to get back on here today and look over price action. Gosh, these metrics are working so well today. Guys, right now, let's take a look at this. End up just getting a buy signal here. Let's see if this comes up and closes out. So far, these are 4 for 4 winning trades here. This is a 2-minute time frame. Let's dip to the 1-minute time frame. Let's look at that as well. But I want to give a shout out right now. I haven't done this for a while to the people that have joined last 24 hours. Darren, Kamala, Hamid, Walid, Sanford, Carl, Carmen, Nataka, Damon, John, Matthew, a couple more here, James, Desmond, NAJ, and also Christian. Thank you guys so much. Guys, this is what so many people are seeing success with. Guys, I just posted a video this morning taking my 26th trade, 26 wins, 0 losses so far for just over $7,000 in less than a month with Take Profit Trader. Now, you guys, look at some of these signals. This is here on the 2-minute time frame. And just absolutely killing it here. So when we look at this, we want to adjust this. So if you're on the 2-minute time frame, I want you to put in 40 here. This is going to be taking out 10 points every time that this ends up coming down. Here's our entry, target hit. Sell signal, price action stay below the profit wave, came down, target hit. Sell signal, target hit. This one, buy signal, as long as we stay above the profit wave, come back up, target's going to hit. Guys, if we go back to the 1-minute time frame, let's look at this. You know, if you're on the 1-minute time frame, go ahead and adjust your settings. Go down here, go to 40 and go in 20. If we're on the 1-minute time frame, well, let's go ahead and go for half the amount. We're just going for 5 points. What I did this morning. What happened? Entry, target hit. Entry, target hit. Stayed below the profit wave. Entry, target hit, entry, target hit. 4 for 4 winning trades here and 4 for 4 on the 2-minute time frame. Guys, you can look back right now. I want everyone with these metrics. And if you haven't had these metrics and you don't have it right now, I'm going to show you exactly where to grab this. But this is why so many people are seeing so much success. Guys, I did shout out this morning, but I'm going to do it again right now just to give huge credit and shout out to this guy. But literally Felix this morning, absolutely incredible, ends up sending me over his Top Step account. Guys, look at this. He ended up passing this Top Step account using these metrics alone and being consistent and just going for 10 points a day, 5 to 10 points, 200 there, 300 there, 150 there. Congrats again on doing this. I'm just so proud of you. I really am. And you guys, in my one-on-one trainings, I go over exactly the position sizing. What should you be trading with if you're going for a 50K account? What should you be trading if you have accounts like myself of 150K? It's so important to know that and just go for little scalps here and there. Are you going to win every single one of these? No. But the accuracy is absolutely going to come up and you're going to basically revolutionize your trading career. And I just started. I have people from, I say it again, 18 years old to over 90 years old using these metrics and having such a good time. Guys, this is something where I want to take out a lot of guessing in the market. I'm going to go over something right now that you guys can follow that is actually going to almost double the profit if you're still watching this video. Real quick, I want to show you guys, if you haven't done so, head over to My Future Success in the description below this. You'll get lifetime access to all these metrics. Every upgrade I do on this, you're going to get completely free as well, and 50% off all of my one-on-one trainings. I'm always here to help you guys out as much as possible. When you send emails in, I do not have a support team. I am the support team, so you guys are contacting me directly. But I would definitely do this soon, and just join an amazing growing team. It's absolutely incredible. But you guys, I use something called triple G's and triple R's that you hear me refer to. This is an area, okay, right? So 1-minute time frame, we're going for 5 points. How can we double the amount of income or almost double? There's another 5 points right here, right? Let's go over here. Another one, another 5 points right on this area. So it's 5 points there, right about there. And then another 5 points is going to be right at this area. So guys, this is what I go for my one-on-one trainings too. Look at this here. So how many signals do we have on this chart populated for us? 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? So that's 4 signals. How do we get even more out of this? So trading with 2 contracts, right? 2 contracts, this is $200, 2, 4, 6, 8, $800. Now, if you use this triple G method, what is this? The way I use this, you guys, is the first bullish or bearish candle that gets illuminated when you have your background changing from red to green or green to red can technically be your first entry in for a quick scalp. You guys see how this background was completely red, switched over to green, first bullish candle, price action was above the profit wave, and a strong candle, 5 points. So that's 200 there. Another 200 here. Entry, exit. Another one right here, entry, exit. So you've now taken a 2, 4, 6, 8 Now you've gone 10, 12, 14. $1,400 instead of $800 just using that method alone. And honestly, this was a really good buy signal because this was actually the first strong input, strong bullish candle. This was the strongest bearish candle with this trend, capitalizing on great profit here, great profit here. And you guys, the other question I get too is, okay, if your stop loss is, let's say 20 to 30 points and you're just going for 5 to 10 points at a time, doesn't that add up if you have a loser? Sure. But why aren't you holding your trades longer then? Guys, there's no reason why you can't hold trades much longer. There's traders that I have that are literally using this profit wave, and worst case scenario on this trade alone, 38 points. 38. If you had just drawn this down to the strongest level of support, you're looking at about 40 points right here alone. You know, so that's where this is so crazy. I mean, look at this one right now. Buy signal. Has this crossed below the profit wave yet? No. This went up to another 30 points. Where are we sitting right now making this video? 10 points. Guys, this is why I would rather just take out the 5 or 10 points and get done. But if you want to hold trades longer, then just hold it. Take a look over here. Another example. Entry. Coming down. Where was the max profit? Another 9 points. Why not just take out 5? So if you're struggling and you're getting more losses than winners, or you're seeing, let's say, 3 to 4 winners and then 1 loss take out something of your profit, I want you to get used to holding trades a bit longer. Guys, I am showing myself specifically here just taking 5 and 10 points out of the market really quick for educational purposes on my pro accounts. But there's no reason why you guys cannot hold trades longer and just capitalize on these moves. But do this. Go ahead, if you have this, break it into 2 sections, right? Let's say you're trading with 2 contracts. Enter in with 2 contracts. You could then have your first contract get set for this take profit. So you would have won every single one of these, right? Then have your stop loss move to break even and let that other contract just run and play it with the profit wave. You are then doing one of 2 things. You're guaranteeing a win because your first contract's already closed out. You're securing your stops so to never go below. So worst case, you break even. But what's the best case scenario? You let it run and you capitalize on maybe 30, 40 points. So when, not if, because of course we're all going to have losing trades, so am I, that losing trade comes in, it's going to be a fraction of the overall profits you've made. Guys, even if, like right now, I think my balance right now is about 7,100 that I've done almost in the last month. If I divide that, so if I take a losing trade of even $600, that's only going to represent 8% of my whole account balance. Is that a lot of money to lose? Yeah, it is. But you know, that's okay. If my accuracy and win rate is that high and I'm having a 80, 85, 90, 90+% win rate and I get one of those drawdowns, it's okay. You know, but if you want to hold trades a little bit longer, go for it. But guys, this is some added education. If you guys are either new following this channel or if you're already doing this, this is where triple G's and triple R's added with these signals almost double this. Guys, this is how you take a 246, take an $800 profitable trade right here and turn this into 1,000, 12, 14, what is it, 16? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Actually, that was 12. 14. $1,400. $800 into $14 by just adding this one simple trick. Absolutely incredible, you guys. If you guys have any other questions or anything, please leave them in the comments below. Congratulations for everyone who joined us just in the past 24 hours. I'm having an absolute amazing time with you guys. Remember, this is lifetime access. Never pay any monthly service fees. All upgrades are completely free here for TradingView. And I'm going on here giving you guys the best education I possibly can. And congrats to that. I have 2 people doing one-on-one trainings today and a few more for the rest of this week. I'm so excited to meet these new people. If you guys would like to do that, please reach out to me by email for one-on-ones. But take care. God bless.